Social accessibility from IBM Research, Tokyo. There are billions of people who face problems in accessing web pages. This includes people with disabilities, aging people, and illiterate people. Visually impaired users can barely understand content without alternative text for images. Often, there is no way to ask site owners to improve the content. Their friends may help them, but they may not want to bother their friends too often for help. Social accessibility is a new approach to improve web accessibility without asking the site owners to modify the content. It connects people who want to serve the internet better and volunteers who want to help. If you find a page you can't read, you can send a request to the service to improve the accessibility of the web page. Then the request will be sent to volunteers. Volunteers who read the request can make the page accessible by adding information. This does not alter the original content at all. The new data is stored on the social accessibility server as external metadata and can be referenced when browsing. The covered improvements include alternative text for images and labels for form elements, inserting and deleting headings, and adding area properties. We have also developed more advanced technologies. One example is accessing Flash content. The screen shows a web page which contains a Flash object with 3 buttons, but it is not accessible.
Flash movie start. Unlabeled 0 button. Unlabeled 1 button. Unlabeled 2 button. Flash movie end.
By using our tool, the volunteer can improve the Flash accessibility by making metadata. Open the tool and select the Flash object. Then a dialog which contains a list of buttons will pop up. The volunteer can modify the labels for these buttons very easily. Select a button from a list and click the Edit button to change the label. Finally, the volunteer saves the new labels as external metadata. Then the blind users can access the Flash content using our tool. Open the tool by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus period and select the menu Show Flash Text to pop up the list of buttons. This tool automatically loads the metadata and shows the prop labels.
Enter Flash Navigator dialog. List box. City of the month star push button. 1 of food star push button.
The next example is changing the reading order. For the volunteer, we provide a metadata authoring tool. This tool shows the order of screen reading as a traversal parcel aligned with the elements of the content. The granularity level of the path can be changed. By selecting a higher granularity level, the volunteers can grasp the overview of the reading order in this page. Then the path can be rearranged by drag and drop interactions. If the volunteer finds an incorrect order in the path for an element, the volunteer can easily change the flow by dragging the knob on that element to the knob of the prop next element. In the social accessibility approach, the visually impaired users can report a problem on a web page whenever they find it, and then the volunteers can fix the problems by authoring the external metadata. This is one of the steps of collaborative web accessibility improvements. This approach can also be used by many other people, such as hearing impaired people, elderly people, and less literate people. This video is presented by IBM Research Tokyo. You can try it at http://sa.watson.ibm.com. Please feel free to join us and let's make the web more accessible.